Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of RV air conditioners with the RecPro RV Air Conditioner 13.5K Non-Ducted. Let's start with the basics. This all-in-one unit is designed for campers, travel trailers, fifth wheels, food trucks, and motorhomes.
but what sets it apart from the rest? Let's find out. First off, efficiency.
The RecPro boasts a low amp draw, meaning you can keep your AC running while still having power for other appliances. Say goodbye to muggy weather with its dehumidifying function, keeping your RV comfortable and fresh year-round.
Crafted from tough plastic, this unit is built to last. Plus, its whisper-quiet operation ensures you get all the comfort without any noise disruptions during your sleep. But wait, there's more.
The RecPro comes with an easy-to-use remote control featuring various functions like cooling, dehumidifying, sleep mode, and more.
The touchscreen LED display allows for effortless monitoring and settings adjustments. Now let's talk numbers.
With a cooling power of 13,500 BTUs and a capacity of 1.13 tons, this unit packs a punch. It runs on 120 volts and consumes just 1,550 watts, making it energy efficient. But don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about its ease of installation, quiet operation, and superior cooling performance. Whether you're retrofitting an old RV or upgrading your current setup,
the RecPro RV air conditioner is a game-changer.
That's all for today's product critique. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay cool out there.
Until next time, happy camping!